In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GoToMeeting recordings. For those of you who use GoToMeeting frequently, knowing where your meeting recordings are stored can be crucial for reviewing past discussions, sharing content with team members who were unable to attend, or simply for archival purposes. So, let's dive right into it. First, it's important to know that GoToMeeting is designed to automatically configure a default location on your computer where your recordings will be saved. By understanding this default setup, you'll be able to easily locate your files every time. When you installed the application, it came with a preset folder that manages where these recordings go. Generally, this folder is located in your Documents section or another similar directory. It's a good idea to take note of this location during installation, but if you missed it, don't worry. I'll help you navigate through finding it. To locate the saved folder, you'll want to begin by heading over to the GoToMeeting application on your computer. Once you open the app, focus on finding your Profile section. You'll typically find this at the top or within a side menu labeled with your username or an icon. Click on it to access various settings and options related to your account. Next, you want to click on Settings. This opens up a more detailed panel with numerous adjustable features that you can tailor to your preferences. Within the Settings area, you'll encounter numerous tabs or sections, one of which is labeled Capabilities. This section grants you access to features related to different functions within the app. Go ahead and select the Capabilities option. As you continue exploring these settings, look for Meetings. This is the category where aspects regarding how your meetings, including recordings, are managed. Inside the Meetings section, you'll come across a subsection identified as Content. That's where you need to navigate next. The Content section is particularly useful because it organizes all your meeting-related materials, giving you an overview of your saved recordings and other pertinent content. Now that you've found the right location, you should be able to see the path of where all GoToMeeting recordings are automatically stored. It's often helpful to jot this path down or memorize it for future reference. Knowing the default storage path simplifies the search process for past recordings and enables you to back up or share these files conveniently when necessary. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a solid understanding of how to effortlessly find your GoToMeeting recordings. With this knowledge, you can manage your files more effectively and ensure you have easy access to any past meeting content you might need. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides. Until next time.